How to treat a bee sting. Spending time in your garden or a park is a wonderful way to spend an afternoon. Of course, you may be subject to a bee sting, a common but painful experience. Treating a bee sting quickly can help alleviate the discomfort. Here is how to treat a bee sting. Method 1. Taking immediate steps. 1. Remove the stinger as quickly as possible. As soon as you get stung, get the stinger out of your skin. This is the most important thing you can do. Some people suggest that scraping the stinger out with a credit card is better than pinching it out, but this is more likely to slow down the removal. Some scientists don't think this is even true, and that removing the stinger as quickly as possible is the best thing you can do. You should be able to see the stinger where you've been stung. It will be about the size of the tip of a pen and consists of the stinger itself with some torn flesh from the bee. Sometimes, the bee will remain connected to the stinger by a string of flesh. Get it out with your fingernails, if possible. 2. Wash the area with soap and cold water. The cold water will be soothing and the soap can help wash away any residual dirt or venom. Lather up well and rinse the area thoroughly. 3. Watch out for symptoms of an allergic reaction. Even if you've been stung by a bee before without any problem, be on the alert for signs that you're having an allergic reaction. Allergies can develop or worsen over time. Severe reactions, anaphylaxis, can be life-threatening. Watch out for any of the following signs of anaphylaxis: difficulty breathing or wheezing, swelling of the lips, tongue, face, or throat, dizziness, fainting, or a drop in blood pressure, skin reaction like hives, flushing, itching, or paleness, a fast, weak pulse, nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea, restlessness and anxiety. Take an antihistamine like Benadryl immediately after the bee sting. This is a preventative measure, even if you don't end up having an allergic reaction. 4. Call emergency services if you're having an allergic reaction. If any of the above symptoms are present, call for emergency right away. While you're waiting for help to arrive, or on your way to the hospital, take Benadryl or another antihistamine before a reaction sets in. If you have an EpiPen, use it. If you're waiting and start to have a serious reaction, you can take a double dose of antihistamine. Just be sure to tell the emergency team what you have taken and in what dosages. After you've been treated, see your doctor for a prescription for an EpiPen, a shot of epinephrine that you keep on hand in case of another reaction. Carry the EpiPen with you at all times. Make sure someone in your group knows you have an EpiPen and may need it. If you've had a serious reaction to a bee sting or any other sting, you should also make an appointment with an allergist. They can give you shots to help prevent severe reactions from recurring. Method 2. Trying home remedies. 1. Apply cold to the area. Run the sting under cold water, or place ice or an ice pack on the area. Wrap the ice in a towel first instead of putting it directly on your skin. Keep this on for 20 minutes. Reapply the ice later if the area gets sore again. While using home remedies, continue to assess the size of the sting. Often, stings will grow into larger areas. You can gauge the size of the sting by marking it with a pen. If the redness continues to spread, seek medical help. 2. Elevate your arm or leg. If you were stung on the arm or leg, elevate it. Prop your foot up on pillows to be above the level of your heart. Rest your arm on something above your heart. This can improve pain and swelling. 3. Make a baking soda paste. Mix baking soda with water, apply the paste, and let it dry. This may pull out the venom if applied quickly and help relieve pain and swelling. Put a tablespoon of baking soda in a bowl and add enough water to turn it into a thick paste. You can also try making a paste out of baking soda, vinegar, and meat tenderizer and applying it to the sting. Add enough vinegar to a tablespoon of baking soda to make a paste, and add in a pinch of meat tenderizer. 4. Apply honey to the sting. Dab some honey onto the sting with your fingers or a cotton ball. Honey has traditionally been used for its antiseptic qualities. Use honey that is as pure as possible. preferably 100% honey without preservatives, for the best effect. 5. Put toothpaste on the sting. Apply a dab of toothpaste to the sore area. It may feel like tingling, which can improve the itchiness of the sting. Apply it as often as you want to. Natural toothpaste may work better than regular toothpaste, but give either a try. 6. Dab on apple cider vinegar. Wet a cotton ball with apple cider vinegar and hold it against the sting. It may burn momentarily, but then may provide some pain relief. Method 3. Using medications. 1. Take over-the-counter pain medicine. Alleviate pain with pain medicine from your local pharmacy or drug store, such as ibuprofen or acetaminophen. Ask your doctor or pharmacist which is the best medicine for you if you have any medical issues, especially if you have liver or kidney problems. Take the medicine as indicated on the bottle or by your doctor. 2. Apply hydrocortisone cream. Apply hydrocortisone cream or other corticosteroid cream to the red, swollen area. This can decrease the pain and inflammation in the area. Use it as directed on the label. Reapply it after 4 hours if you need to. 3. Dab on calamine lotion. Calamine lotion can help bee stings as much as it helps poison ivy rashes. Dab some onto your sting with a cotton ball. Use it as indicated on the label. Calamine lotion with analgesic may be especially effective. Reapply it after 4 hours if you need to. 4. Take antihistamine pills if your sting is itchy. Take oral antihistamines like diphenhydramine or chlorpheniramine. Use it as directed on the label or by your doctor or pharmacist. This can help relieve itching. Antihistamine pills might make you very drowsy. Be sure you know how they affect you before taking them when driving or going to work. Thanks for watching. We will be uploading useful tips and ideas on our channel. Please make sure to subscribe for upcoming contents. Peace out.